Hello guys, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to set speed dial on your phone. So I'm using Xiaomi phone, so if you are Xiaomi user, you are on the right video how to set your speed dial on your phone. So what you have to do, you just open your settings click on the upper on the menu, click that, and then you just find setting option here, and then you search for quick dial. See, this is the quick dial. You just press on that, and then for instance I will assign the number 2 as a quick dial, and then I will search for some random name on my phone, blah, 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 like this maybe, and then I put this number on 2 numbers on quick dial. After that I go back, and then I go to my phone here, and then what you have to do, just press 2 and hold. Just press on hold, and then your the contact you assign to the number will be called immediately. So that's it, very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.